Hi there, Kyle Barnett, Solution Engineer here at Asset Panda. Today, I'd like to go over our Google Workspace integration. Now, our Google Workspace integration is one of our larger integrations and it's utilized for a couple things. First and foremost is to bring records from Google Workspace over into Asset Panda. Now, this could be your Chrome OS devices or your mobile devices from Google Device Manager. This can also be your employee records from your G Suite console. Another part of it is to go ahead and automatically sync your users from G Suite to create users in Asset Panda that can sign in and access your data here at Asset Panda. To go ahead and set up this integration, what you want to do is go ahead, click on your settings page, go find your integrations under your module. So hit manage, then select the integration store. From here, go ahead, select Google Workspace, or if you can't find it, go ahead, type in Google Net Search and hit add for that Google Workspace. From here, it is going to appear in your integration in this module. You want to go ahead, select configure, then you want to go into your developers console in Google. Go ahead, create a project if you haven't already, and you want to go ahead and set up that OAuth opt-in consent page for Google. You also want to make sure that you have the right scopes and permissions selected. Once you do that, then you should be able to pull your client ID and your client secret and go ahead and paste those into this page here at Asset Panda and authorize it. And that's then going to have Google or have you verify those API permissions, giving Asset Panda access to that data to pull that into Asset Panda. From here, go ahead and hit the test and save connection, and then continue on with your mapping after you've done that. Now, this mapping is a very important part. What you want to do with this mapping, you first want to verify, are we pulling records into Asset Panda to create either those device records and or those user records, or are we creating users, meaning people that can log into Asset Panda? If we're creating users, we want to select this left one, those little people icon. And then from here, we want to select those org units from Google that we're mapping over to those user permission roles. From here, we want to map over what email address we're using and what that user's first name and that last name are going to be. From here, we can go ahead and save this and sync this over from Google. Now, if we want to go ahead and create records in Asset Panda from Google Workspace, then we want to go ahead and hit that mapping option. And instead of selecting the user icon, we want to select those forms coming in or the data records. From here, again, just like before, we want to give that mapping a name. So test Google devices. Then we want to select that external entity from Google. Now, we do have a few different options. First, we can pull over those Chrome OS devices. We can pull over those mobile devices, and we can pull over those users. We do want to create a mapping for each of these if we are going to pull them over. Now, for those users, if we want to create that employee data, we want to make sure we're putting that into the correct collection. So I'm going to select my people collection here. And now I want to select that unique identifier of email address and map that over to that field in Asset Panda. Then I want to go ahead and select add more for any additional fields I may have in Asset Panda, like say my department or hire date or any other attributes that you may have that you're collecting on that employee data. Then I want to map over utilizing those attributes from Google. Now, as you can see here, there is a little bit of a larger list here. So I want to make sure that I'm getting that correct information. And it may not be that that information exists in Google, like my department or my hire date. So from here, I can go ahead and save this mapping. And now I can go ahead and create an automation for it. Now, again, I'm going to do another mapping for my Chrome OS devices. So I can go ahead and hit add mapping again, select that I want to bring over data, and I can say Chrome OS devices. I can go ahead and select my Chrome OS devices from my external entity, and I can also narrow down what Chrome OS devices are coming over. I can do this by either narrowing down by org units or I can do this by narrowing down by the status of that device. Once I go ahead and select those filters, then again, I want to make sure I'm selecting the correct collection. Then I want to go ahead and start to map over that data. So I want to make sure that I'm selecting the fields that I want first and foremost in Asset Panda to be filled out. So I can say, hey, you know what? I want all of these fields right here, making sure that I get all of my unique fields and my required fields and any other additional fields that I may want. Then I want to go ahead and start again that mapping from the Google side. What attributes do I want to go into those Asset Panda fields? So first, my unique attribute, and then I can go ahead and select all the other attributes that I want to map over. And once I do that, then I can go ahead and hit save. Now, if I'm missing any mapping, or if I have duplicate columns in there, both from the Google side or the Asset Panda side, it is going to let me know. So I can go ahead, either start to fill out those attributes, or I can go ahead, delete those duplicates out. Once I do that, then I can go ahead and hit save. And now that mapping has been created. Once I've created the mappings that I would like to have, then I want to go ahead and create automated syncs for these mappings. So I can say this is my Chrome OS, and then I can select that interval or that period that I want this mapping to run. So I can go and say, hey, I want to sync my Chrome OS devices, let's say daily, or maybe I want it hourly or every 4 hours. I can go ahead, set that up and save this mapping. Once I save that mapping, then I want to make sure that it is turned on, toggled on, and then I want to go ahead and let it run. Based upon that interval you selected, that mapping is now going to sync every period that you've selected, making sure that your records are staying up to date. Or if that's a mapping for those users, then making sure that those users, meaning people that can log into Asset Panda, are staying up to date. Or either providing them access to Asset Panda or revoking their access to Asset Panda if they should no longer have it. Now, if you would like to try this integration, or if you have more questions about it, please go ahead, click on the link below, or reach out to a representative here at Asset Panda. We're always happy to help answer and to help you out, and we're looking forward to it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye.